If you are a YouTuber with one or multiple channels, this video is for you. Hey everyone, this is Rayhan and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to get the Tubebuddy Pro Star or Legend account 100% free, and it's for a lifetime. But before we dive into the tutorial, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Also, if you need a Tubebuddy Star or Legend account for a lifetime at a very cheap rate, please contact me. You will find all my contact details in the video description below or my YouTube channel. So let's get started with the tutorial. First, let me show you the regular price of Tubebuddy accounts. You can find the pricing details on the website I will link in the video description. But I will also demonstrate how you can get the Tubebuddy Star and Legend accounts for free in this video. On the Tubebuddy website, you will find another option called the affiliate program. Click on the affiliate program and then click on sign up. Tubebuddy will prompt you to sign in with your Google account connected to your YouTube channel. Once signed in, you will be directed to the affiliate dashboard. From there, you will receive your affiliate link. This link is crucial because when people sign up for Tubebuddy through your link, you earn rewards. When 50 people successfully install Tubebuddy through your link, you will get a star account for 1 year. And when 250 people do it, you will get a legend account for a lifetime. Now, promoting this link to get 50 or 250 people to sign up can be challenging. But don't worry, I have a solution. We have a dedicated team and a social media system to help you achieve this at very affordable rate. So, if you are interested in getting the Legend and Star accounts at a cheap rate without the hassle, feel free to contact. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please take care and pray for me. Bye.